Oh, hey there. What's poppin', pals? My name is John Barker. I am the award-winning pitmaster at Beach Bum Barbecue, and I'm the executive chef here at Skull and Mortar. Christmas is coming, or maybe it's already passed, depending on when you're watching this video. But either way, we're going to do a smoked prime rib. Now, normally when I watch these videos, people are cooking like these gigantic 18-pound prime rib roasts, and that's cool and everything, but obviously, given the situation we're in this year, probably most of you guys are not gonna be having a Christmas gathering to that level. So what I wanted to do was start with something more manageable. Right here, I have a Black Angus choice prime rib roast. The marbling in this thing looks great. Let's cut it open and let's get started on this recipe. God damn, it's like I'm an amateur over here. Blood everywhere. Now, Black Angus is native to Scotland. It's been brought over here, of course, to the United States. And these steaks are known for their awesome marbling, their deep flavor. They really have gained a lot of popularity the last few years, and for good reason. Unless you're a communist, you probably love it too. Now, normally in a non-COVID world, I'd use paper towels to pat this dry, but apparently people are afraid we're gonna run out of them again or something because they're all gone. I don't understand why. We've never run out of paper towels ever until the COVID thing. And we probably would never run out of them at all if we just bought what we needed and left the rest for whoever else needs them. So I love spray oils because they're way more convenient. So I'm gonna hit this with some olive oil spray. You can use regular olive oil and rub it on if you want. The key is that we want all of our rubs to stick on here. So every now and then your hubris has to be punished and you forget to hit the record button. So off camera, I hit this with a solid layer of my all-purpose rub. Then I followed it up with my barbecue rub for that deep peppery note. And finally hit it with some fresh chopped rosemary, garlic, and thyme. All of those flavors are gonna just kiss each other right on the lips and hit you with that perfect crust for your prime rib. Alright guys, this is Fred's first ever prime rib. Now, you can see how I've seasoned it. I like to have like my crust up here on one side, but I got it kind of everywhere. You can put as much or as little as you want. For real, it doesn't matter. Put as much as you want on there. If you want more, put more. If not, put less. Put extra seasonings, put extra herbs. It's fine. It's your recipe. You do what you want with it, but don't be a dickhead in the comments, all right? I don't really care. This is how I'm doing mine. We got our smoker going at 300 degrees. It's already up to temperature. We're gonna take this, we're gonna throw it in, and we're gonna get it up to an internal temperature of roughly 140 degrees, which will make this prime rib medium. Oh yeah, I love Mountain Dew Zero. This stuff is so good. I literally had to fist fight a lady in a wheelchair to get this last 12 pack. I don't feel bad for it. Don't feel guilty at all. Now after about 3.5 hours, this is what I was left with. An amazingly crusted prime rib. All right guys, we're gonna cut into this prime rib right here. Look at that juice coming on out. Medium, that's how I like my steaks. Adjust the temperature as you see fit. Look at that. Oh my God, man, I'm trying to get this picture and friggin' the juice, it's so juicy, it's just running everywhere. We're gonna have to leave this nasty ass cloth in here. Sanitation's first, you know what I mean? All right, so let's get a piece of this, man. I really wanna get like some maximum crust. So I'm just gonna cut right off of here. Look at that piece. If you look over here, you can see the smoke ring. I think it looks amazing. Let's get a taste. Wow. So true story, I used to work at a steakhouse back in the day, and I would refuse to eat the prime rib because it was always like not good. This prime rib is friggin' amazing. God, I gotta eat another piece of that. You can taste the smoky flavor. You can taste the woods in it. I used a little bit of a pecan mesquite mix. It's phenomenal. That steak is awesome, man. And smoking it really takes it from a regular steak to a next level steak, man. The flavors are just perfect. The fat inside is next level. I mean, I don't really know what else I can say about it. It speaks for itself. It's obviously juicy. It's delicious. The texture of the meat is great. It's nice, it's soft. It just kind of melts in your mouth. Guys, this is a great cut that you can cook for a family and it not be too out of control price-wise. It's relatively cheap compared to other premium cuts, and it feeds a lot of people. This right here is more than enough for a large family. Don't forget, guys, you can buy my barbecue sauce right now by clicking the link in the description. If you learned something today, if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like it, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see. I'm always trying to do new things. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. So I appreciate you guys coming in today, and I will see you guys next week with a brand new video.